SAP Service Layer is one of the most powerful ways to integrate and automate processes in SAP Business One. If you are still relying on manual entries, SDK-heavy development, or direct database access, you are missing a more modern and scalable approach. SAP Service Layer is a RESTful API framework that allows external systems to communicate with SAP Business One using standard HTTP protocols. This means you can send and receive data using simple web requests such as get, post, patch, and delete. Instead of tightly coupling your system to SAP, Service Layer exposes business objects as APIs. These include entities like business partners, sales orders, invoices, payments, and items. Each of these can be accessed through structured endpoints. For example, you can retrieve a list of customers by sending a GET request to the business partners endpoint. Create a sales order by sending a POST request to the orders endpoint with a JSON payload. This approach makes integration significantly easier, especially when working with modern applications, cloud systems, or automation tools. Authentication in Service Layer is session-based. Begin by sending a login request with your SAP credentials. System returns a session ID, which must be included in the headers of subsequent requests. The session remains active for a defined period, allowing you to perform multiple operations without logging in repeatedly. It's authenticated, your application can perform full card operations, create new records, the existing data, update transactions, delete or cancel documents where applicable. This opens the door to real automation. For example, imagine receiving customer orders via email. An automation tool processes the email, extracts the order details, and sends them to SAP using the service layer. Sales order is created automatically. Another workflow checks inventory levels. If stock is low, it can trigger a purchase order. Once goods are received, the system updates inventory and generates the necessary accounting entries. All of this can happen without manual intervention. Service Layer also supports filtering and querying using OData. This allows you to retrieve only the data you need. For example, you can query invoices created today or filter customers by specific conditions. This is critical for performance and efficiency in large systems. Another key capability is batch processing. You can send multiple operations in a single request. This reduces network overhead and improves performance when handling high volumes of transactions. Error handling is also structured. API returns clear HTTP status codes and messages. This makes it easier to debug integrations and build reliable systems. From an automation perspective, Service Layer integrates well with tools like N8N, Power Automate, and custom microservices. You can design workflows where events in one system trigger actions in SAP. For example, payment received via bank can trigger an API call. System verifies the payment and automatically creates an incoming payment in SAP. It updates the customer balance. This creates a seamless connection between financial systems and ERP. Security is an important consideration. Service Layer uses HTTPS for secure communication. You should also manage sessions carefully and avoid exposing credentials. Production environments, it is recommended to use proper authentication handling and network security controls. Compared to older methods like the DI API, Service Layer is lighter, faster, and more suitable for web-based architectures. It is especially powerful in cloud deployments and distributed systems. However, it requires a good understanding of REST APIs, JSON structures, and SAP business objects. If implemented correctly, it becomes the backbone of your integration strategy. In summary, SAP Service Layer transforms SAP Business One from a standalone ERP into a connected, automated system. It allows you to integrate with external platforms, automate business processes, and build scalable solutions. If you are working with SAP Business One and not using Service Layer, you are limiting what your system can do. This is how modern ERP automation is built. Subscribe for more content on AI automation, SAP integrations, and real-world system design.